As with yesterday, if we could have counsel just briefly introduce themselves, make sure we've got waivers on the record for today, starting with the state.
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm Anna Green Cross for the state.
Good morning, Your Honor. Adam Abadi for the state.
Good morning, Your Honor. Steve Sadell, Jennifer Little for President Trump, and we waive his presence.
Alan Stockton for Mayor Giuliani, we waive his presence.
Mr. Durham joining us by Zoom again.
Good morning, Your Honor. This is Jack Van Wy on behalf of Mark Meadows. He waives his presence.
Thank you.
We with Kathy Lane. She waives her presence.
Your Honor, Mike Smith, Prague V-Shake for Mr. Hampton with local counsel John Monroe.
I'm sorry, I didn't hear that at all.
With local counsel John Monroe, to my right.
Okay. Okay. And Mr. Floyd has decided what exactly? Did he? Ms. Cross?
It sounds like it's a deliberate choice for Mr. Morrison not to be present this morning, and the defendant was certainly here yesterday if he joins later. Otherwise, I think we can call that a voluntary waiver.
Okay, I agree. And I haven't heard anything else from Mr. Morrison or any other counsel. Is there anything we need to take up before resuming testimony here? Let me start with the state.
I'm sorry, thank you, Your Honor. Yesterday, the state had asked that Ms. Yurdi be, her subpoena be held in case we needed to recall. I let her attorney know last night after speaking. We don't intend to recall her, and as far as the state's concerned, I know she'd already been released from the subpoena from the other side, so there was no reason for her to be today from the state's concerned.
All right, Ms. Merchant, can we excuse Ms. Yurdi?
I talked to her attorney last night, and I said we had a different conversation, so I think she's still on standby.
So your position has changed since yesterday?
Well, based on the state's representation that they may have rebuttal evidence, but they didn't give us that, so I don't know what that is. So in rebuttal, if they present something in rebuttal that I need to call her to talk about, then I.
All right, we'll address it as it comes up. What else? Anything else, Ms. Cross?
Not from the state, Your Honor.
Okay, Ms. Merchant.
I know that we are still in the middle of Ms. Willis, but we need to address some of the things that were said yesterday in court in regards to Mr. Bradley, privilege, things like that. Do you want to do that now, or would you rather do that before Mr. Bradley?
When you say address them, what do you mean?
Well, there's a couple different issues, but we've got the privilege issue is one of them. And I have a copy for the court. I have one copy for either Ms. Avery or Mr. Evans. I know Mr. Abadi was objecting to privilege yesterday, but I think it's actually Mr. Evans that needs to do that.
Was Mr. Evans is here? Okay. All right. Anything else from any counsel?
We'll make sure it's still in the
Rule is still in place. All right. Not seeing anything else. If we could bring back in Ms. Willis.
Actually, Your Honor, the state has no further questions for Ms. Willis, so
All right.
no need to recall.
Okay, Ms. Merchant. Next witness.
I think we're about to hit the privilege issue.
We are about to hit the privilege
There we are.
issue then.
Okay.